Yes. Yes, man. So let me get this. Let me get this out of the way quick and fast. First of all, yeah? No family or no friend never put me and my husband together. None of uno germs. Never put me nor my husband together. Yeah? That's the first thing. None of uno skirmish. What call my husband? Yes, bitch, you may talk. Yeah. You will call my husband. You may talk. Look for me good. Hurry up and call him before him get home from work. So when he come home, he can come bust my backside. Hurry up and call him. So when he come home, he can come bust my back. I'm tired of uno. At the second week, at the second time now, in a 1 week, this is the second time in a 1 week, so me have to come adjust it. Because me a human being and a blood run through me. You understand? Me a human being and a blood run through me. And this is the second time in 1 week. First of all, when me and my husband did I get married, me never say, me I try to reason with that John Cryer nicely, you know. Because I don't want to get out today, yeah? Me don't want to get out today. Me I reason with a bitch, me I reason with them nicely. Me just a reason with you nicely. Because me know you must have some dirty cobweb in your house I want to clean out. Me know say underneath your bed must have some curl and some muck we want to clean out. So since as you want something for care go get husband, John Cryer go get something for care go get husband. Remember this, germs. When Lexi, close the door. Go on there and close the door. Remember this. You see, when time me I get married, me and my husband never call no family or no friend for collection for married. And none of uno germs what take up on the phone and I call husband about how me a behave on live and this and that and tear and not. None of uno John Crow never put $1 towards me and my husband wedding. Uno never carry a gift come. Nastiness. You never carry a gift come. You never carry a gift come. Remember me and my husband sleep at night time, you know. So when him come for me, I have to know you. Me have to know who you. When him come, me have to know who you, nastiness. Remember that. Whether you want to be family or friend, germs, me have to know who you when him come from work. Yeah. Because him dey on the phone with me 1 hour odd. Just so me not come on live. But what? Him have to get him things them together for leave work. So him have to hang up the phone for me, so me get the chance to come on live to come address the matter. So now look at Jezebel. Now look at Bigfoot. Casket foot. Yeah. Now we are going to get something to call husband and tell husband about. Let me tell you something nasty. Enough in a real life. In a real life, on a bagger enough. Enough for uno where you see I run up and down and I call husband and all of these things. Uno have some store we need what want patch. Enough for uno pay flyer and I need to know, you know, uno have some store, a real store want patch, you know. Uno have some serious store want patch. Uno life not in a no order. Uno life want whole heap of reconstruction. Not for uno life. Uno sit on the phone boy you call husband and I tell husband about oh me not behave appropriate pan life. Come kiss me ass. But behave appropriate pan life. Come near my body. Behave kind of appropriate pan life. Boy you call husband and tell husband about say oh me not behave good pan life. Me not behave good. I don't business. How it want to sound this evening. This evening, I don't business how it want to sound. Because guess what happened? You see me? When me a pray, me not pray to mankind. A God me a pray to. So when me tell you this, and you see my God, no stay like man. So when me tell you about no backside world today, me can't go down for me and go pray about it because God no stay like man. You hear me tell you no? So since as you want something to go and tell husband about nastiness, tell husband, so me say you must come kiss my ass. Go and tell husband that. Carry on, go tell husband. Tell husband, me say, come kiss me ass. Go tell my husband that. Go and tell my husband that me tell you that, Jankro. You know where you take up phone. You don't have nothing better for do. When me did go to church, the 24th of September, Pastor did say, Jadian and Margaret, I join you two together to be husband and wife. Him never said Jadian and Margaret and dog shit like you are going to join together. So I want you to come out of my life. You understand? I want you to just ease up out of my life. Give me a break. I just married. I can't take it. When you start already, come near me out, yes sir, run yes sir. Go tell my husband that now. Go and tell my husband that. Go and tell my husband that. I want in a peace and harmony. As me married, so. As me married, me I go right down to phone standard. Me a lower and go right down to phone standard. Cause me tired of it. 2 times in a 1 week. I want in a peace. Every fart to no call husband, tell husband. I want if me fart to no call, I never used to see him. Uno junk, I never used to see him. So I want now. If he's sick, he can't call on the germs. Uno want to take a phone and I call him. Remember when him come home, you know? The phone is for us. My phone is for both of us. And his phone is for both of us. The germs, you can't hide. You understand? You can't hide. Remember this. If he's sick right now, him can't call you. You understand? Him can't call you if him sick right now. And if me sick, me can't call none of my family and my friends them. Right there and then, no family and no friend. Not supposed to come between me and him marriage. We just married. Give me a break. Let go for my dress. Let go my blouse and make me breathe. We just married. Make me breathe. Leave me alone. If me I do something, if I am doing something that, number one, you never used to call him, you know. Uno look junker never used to call him, you know. Uno water batty never used to call him. Yeah, uno never used to call him. Uno know. What uno run up in a now? Eh? What uno run up in a now? What uno really run up in a? Number one, if he were there right now, and we have something to put together, we can't call family and call friend. Because family and friend don't help neither him nor me. You understand? Family and friend don't help none of the two of we. When we did a married, we never see family and friend. You know when sometimes young people are married, you don't see family or you don't see friend. Them will probably come in and say, all right then, you know, I am going, let us do this for you guys. Not even one gift, no bring. We're not going to have shit. I'll lift up and go. Because we're not real. A bad man and a hater. We're not come like Joma Roach. Hater no. We're not enough. We're not doing our marriage already. 2 times in a 1 week when I can use for me. What? What pen? You don't want him? I want him? Tell me if I want to not want him. Tell me no. I want him or what? Do you want him? Do you need him? You don't want Jaden? Tell me if you don't want Jaden. Just tell me if I want to not want Jay. You don't want Jay or what? Tell me if I want to not want you. You don't allow me alone. Let go of my skirt. Let me go make my breathing up here. Big woman. And from me at 17, me up on me one and a parent. You hear? Me a big woman. No family and no friend. Not supposed to come in at this. You say this how we build together? No family and no friend not supposed to come in at this. Come and tell them this. No family and no friend. Never do nothing for none of that two away yet. You no go. You no nastiness. What heap of struggle, but me got through all the struggle in life, and him got through all heap of struggle in life, and germs. No friend and no family never help him, but none of his struggles them. None of them never help him, I know what this like. None of my family never help me yet. All in a position can help me. Never help me yet. Never help me yet. And all in a position can help him. Never help him. Remember my husband now we talk. You hear? So let me tell you something. Me and him are 2 soldiers combined together so. And I try to make a life. You hear? Me and him are 2 struggling soldiers coming together so. And I try to make a life. No go. None of never help. None of him side of family them. None of him side of family them. None of uno. Never do nothing for the night to no go. And live for fire sangwe. Una germs. Go and go tell him that now. And don't forget, if you tell him, say, you are call him. And I tell him, oh, me the pan live, or go on and it's not appropriate. Go and tell him that I said, you are call him. Tell him, me say, you personally, if you come kiss my ass. Yeah. Go and tell him that. I don't business who you be. I don't business who you be. You're outside and stink. You're rank. You want some grammar zone. For dash pan you. Yeah. You want some gas out the throw pan you. Because I pay a big bugger crawl up pan you. That's why you're so miserable. Yeah. Why you want to tell me now, say? Before married, nobody never see him. Nobody never see me. We never can on news. So why now when married, as we married now, we not run and I can use? Eh? Why as we married now, we not run and I can use? Why what happened? Love me breed. If me fast, if me fart, you no run can use gone. If me fart, leave me alone. Love me. Me no want to take no set for me. Love me alone, me breed in a peace. Love me alone, me breed in a peace. You understand? I'm not busy one. Nobody wants to fire today. I don't busy one. Me a you, miss me? Me a human being. A blood run through me. You understand? And nobody on this face of earth don't want nobody at all. If you take no set upon them, and this is the second time in a 1 week. This is the second time in a 1 week when I care my name, go to my husband, we just married. Lord, we alone make we live good. Lord, we alone make we live good. No build up, no try to build up no contention. In our holy matrimony, we just married. Lord, we alone. No kind of news. Love it. Anything that I am doing, if me come on live and me do something, but my husband don't like or say something, my husband always watch my page. You understand? My husband always watch my live. So guess what? Make him come from work, and when him come from work, him come sit down and say, babes, you do something to the pan live and I never like it. So and so and so and so. And make we work it out. You understand? Make him see for himself. And make him come home from work and say to me, say, babes, you do something in the pan life today. Me never like it. And this and so and so and so and so. And you need to do this and do that and whatever. And not make that happen again. Whatever. Make we work it out as husband and wife. Make him see for himself and come home. And approach me. Approach the matter and make we work it out as husband and wife. You're not supposed to see. Nothing at all and take up on phone. I call husband. You don't have nothing better to do. Tell me if you don't have nothing better to do. You must have something better to do than to take up on the phone but not call my husband to tell me. We just married. We just married. We just married. Leave we alone. Make we breed. Not try to build up no strife and no contention in our holy matrimony. We just married. Leave we alone. Don't try to build up no strife. All fall. All market chalk. You me attack. Yeah. All shoes lace. Are you me attack. Don't try to build up no strife. We got joined together. Let no man put asunder. Leave we alone. Not try to build up no strife at all in here. So we just married, you know? We just married. And we are trying to get to house in order. Make a look how far we reach. We just married. And we are trying to get to house in order. Leave we alone now. It's too early. It's too early. We start carrying news already. It is too early to start carrying news. Leave we alone. Leave we alone. Left we alone. Give we a break. Make we breathe. It's all we young. Make we breathe in a peace. You take up phone. Make him go see. Make him go see what he wants to see. And then when him come home, him address him wife and talk to him wife about it. Make him anything at all what me do. Once me do it in the public eyes, him have to see it. Once it's on social media, he must see it. Because he ever watch me. Before we married, him a watch me. Before we married, him a watch me. So anything at all me do, he must see it. Because before we married, him a watch. So make him see it. And when him see it, him come home. And when him come home, him address me about it. But you don't be the one. You don't be the one. If you call and I call up man, you don't call me name in your stinking mouth. Don't call me name in your little rotten mouth. Don't be the one to call me name in your mouth and call me name to my husband, germs, low me. Give me a break. Because remember me tell you this. Me no beg, I'm in a sponge, I'm in a borrow. Learn that. Me a hustler. Me no beg. Me no sponge. Me no borrow. Yeah? I'm in a lean up on people. So when time nobody move me now and drop. So me no want nobody take no set upon me. Adapt me, I tell you. You understand me? Adapt me, I say. I'm in a business. Who pan you want come talk about say, oh, I thought you was Christian. Wanna move first I gonna shit you all on go. You wanna move up and go. Wanna lift up. All of you in the comment what talk about say, thought you was Christian and this and wanna gonna shit. Me not pray to none of you. Because when me done your song and don't talk my mind, me can go down on my knee and go pray. And God not stay like man. You hear? God not stay like man. So when me done vent, me can go down on my knee and pray to God. Because God not stay like man. A husband don't want that dark shit a husband don't want. I want to know want the man now. I don't want him. Because I see him turn good husband now. So I don't want him. Look on no. Look on no. Look on no. Dog tail look on no. You better go name shit. Here each up in a look at dirty teeth and you don't see that you don't take up on the phone but you don't call husband. You don't take up on the phone but you don't call husband. When you look at here each up in a I mean no message me on WhatsApp and tell me nothing. Me no want nobody message me on WhatsApp and tell me about say, calm down, don't pay them no mind. This, that. Me no want you to message me today because me hurt. Me feel hurt. You understand? Because anything that transpire, it should be in a case like this. Let my husband, he always watches my page. So let him see. Anything me go out on social media, I always watch. So make him see. And when him see, make him come home to me. And tell me, so look here, baby, I don't like this. And you should not do this. And this is not right. Make him come home, come tell me that. And then we can talk about it in our room. Make him come home, come tell me that, and then we can sit down, and we can discuss it, and we can fix whatever problem. But don't make it be your job, all germs. Don't make it be your job. And still, don't make it be your job. But pick out the ear them and itch up in your dirty teeth. And don't make it be your job to take up your phone. If you call my husband, to tell my husband, say, me the pan live I do this, me the pan live I do that, me the pan, look here now. Hey girl, no ramp with me. Don't make it be your job to take up your phone to call my husband and tell him nothing. Fix up your local nasty business. Fix up your nasty life. Fix up for your life. You understand? Yeah.